Okay, let's move on to number 2. Number 2 begins with reflect over y-axis, then dilate at 1 over 2, then rotate 180 degrees, and then translate x minus 8, y minus 3. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is reflect it over the y-axis. So here's our original, and here is the origin. So whatever point we have here, we're going to take to the exact opposite distance across the y-axis. So this one here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to go another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we got our point. This one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we have here is that this segment is exactly the same distance as this segment. Now you can see that this goes 2 and this goes 2. So we can make those 2 and 2. This one goes out 1, so this one will go out 1. This one goes out 1, so this will go out 1. And then these two go 2 more. So that's 2 and 2. And we've got our figure. Okay. So, second says dilate to 1 over 2. So, for instance, we can take this point right here, which has a coordinate of negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. So, negative 8, 0. And what we're going to do is multiply by 1/2. So, times 1/2. So, negative 8 times 1/2 is negative 8 over 2, or negative 4. And 0 times 1/2 is 0 over 2, or 0. So negative 4, 0. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point here becomes this point. Now we'll look at this point. This one, if this was negative 8, this one's negative 10. And negative 10 times 1/2 is negative 5. So negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point becomes this point. This point is negative 10, 4. So dividing that by 2, the negative 10 part will become negative 5, the 4 will become 2. So that will be 2 right here. And this one here is negative 8, 4, so that will be negative 4, 2. So that will be right here. Here's the part where it gets a little tricky. This one here has got a coordinate of negative 8, comma 1. So we've got to do this times 1/2. And it's really not that weird, but it will not be on the coordinates of the graph. Negative 8 times 1/2 is negative 4, and 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. So what we got is negative 4, 1/2. So negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1/2 will be right here. And as you can see, it goes out 2. So half of 2 is 1, so this one will go out right here. Then it goes up 2. So that will be 1 because it's half of 2. This goes back 2, so that will be 1. And we've got our figure. Our figure is a little bit awkward because it has pieces that are not part of the graph. But there you go. That is our dilation of this figure. Okay, next it says to rotate it 180 degrees. So to rotate 180 degrees, we create vectors. And whatever vector they are from one side, we just create the exact same vector on the opposite side for 180 degree rotation. So this one is 4 in this direction. So we're going to go another 4, and we've got it. This one here goes 3 and down 1/2. So we've got to go another 3 and down another 1/2 for this piece. Alright. This piece here goes 1.5 and 3, so it's got to go to here. So what we've got is these 3. You can kind of see what we're going to do is this. And the shape kind of takes shape for itself. You can begin to see exactly where it needs to be. So that is your 180 degree rotation. Last one we're going to do is to translate x minus 8, y minus 3. So x minus 8 means 8 to the left, y minus 3 means 3 down. So we'll take this one, 8 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3 down is 1, 2, 3. So we've got this point moving to right here. So I can just construct the rest of the drawing based on the shape. Remember, in a translation, the direction and size do not change. So we've got this translation. And that's it. So once again, this was our original, this is our reflection, this is our dilation, this is our rotation, and this is our translation. And that's it. That's it for level 4. Remember to rewind and view everything as many times as you need to so you have the best idea of how to do it. Okay? Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in class.